Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to do a quick tutorial on making bouquet shadow boxes. This is great for your wedding, for preserving it. I'm making one for my sister. This is her bouquet. It's been hanging in my closet for, oh God, I don't know, quite a few months. Hers is going to be much smaller than mine. Mine was like about, my bouquet was cascading, so it was about twice the size. Hold on, my son is crying, of course. Of course, right when I quit talking, he decides to stop. Anyway, so I got to figure out some way to incorporate this garter. I hope you enjoy it, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, so first I'm going to just cut this ribbon instead of worrying about untying it. Okay, never mind. My scissors are sucking at the moment. So I am just going to untie and unravel it. Now when working with a dried out bouquet, mind you, I didn't go like get them preserved or anything like that. I just dried them out the same way I did my own bouquet, which was hanging them upside down in kind of like a dark space. Jeez Louise. Let's see that. It's like goddamn Fort Knox. And I'm wondering if I'll be able to use the ones that look like daisies, because I know I had lilies in mine and they did not dry as good as I had hoped. Oh, that was perfect. This stuff is really stuck. Mine was not like this with all that backing. So hopefully your bouquet is not nearly quite as Fort Knox as this one is. You know what? Yep, that's how that's going to work. Well, I'll definitely be vacuuming today. Yeah, this is not, especially when working with dried out flowers, you do not really want to do it on don't do it on carpet, always do it on a hard surface, because yeah, it's obviously going to be, you know what, I think I might be able to use some of these. But I'm going to section off everything, all the roses in one pile. Luckily she's got a nice assortment here, and so a lot of this will be filler. Otherwise I'm wondering if I should have gotten maybe just one size smaller, because I'm seeing how many roses there are. I just happened to be at Michael's when I picked this shadow box up, and they were like, you know, Michael's is always having sales, so they were like 20% off, and I was like, yeah, let's get it now. Screw counting how many flowers there is. But either way, I know she's gonna love it. Okay. Yeah, so it's not meant to be like totally fabulous and chic. It's gonna be, you know, it's supposed to look old and weathered and stuff, you know. So if this is not your style, then that is a-okay. I actually have thought about redoing my shadow box because there's kind of some blank areas. I don't know if you can, oh great, the fan. I don't know if y'all could see that, but there is some blank spots that could use filling in. Okay, so get a couple of these little pieces. I don't know what those were. They look like lavender right there or something. A couple circle these orange things and separate those. And then pretty much everything else I'm just going to shove to the side so I can just grab it as I go. I don't need to worry about separating all that. Okay, so now that you've got a nice mess going on, open up your box. You shouldn't have to use any glue. I didn't for mine, so that's a plus. A lot of times they come with a few pins already, but I won't need any of those unless maybe I'll use one or two to pin for garter somewhere. I don't know, I've got to figure out how I'm going to arrange that. So first, I'm going to start by removing that and inserting some of this filler along the edge. These are pretty. Now it's not obviously going to lay perfectly. That's okay. I might actually just kind of lay it all over. Oh, I just got an idea. So I'm going to kind of actually lay it all over.
Hey, Mommy.
What, baby?
What?
I can't see. You need to come where I am. Just throw it down. And then scoot down and press the roses down in there. I think that's going to be my best bet. No, I meant throw it down over here, kiddo.
What?
I meant throw it over here. Where did you throw it down at?
In Mommy and Daddy's room.
Okay, that's cool. That actually works out.
Restroom.
You need a what?
Restroom.
Restroom.
No, restroom.
I hope y'all enjoy the commentary between me and my 3-year-old. So yeah, I'm just kind of peeling back. I'm not sure what that is. It reminds me of magnolia, kind of.
Mommy.
What?
What?
We'll put it in.
I can't.
And then
What?
I'm going to put, she might not be able to see this. I don't know if that's lavender or what.
Look.
But it's going to be sentimental just because it was actually a part of her bouquet. So I'm going to put those two pieces along the edges. I'm trying to squish some of them down because some of the roses actually remain pretty good shape, but they need to go flattened. And then I'm just going to kind of put more filler. I'm not seeing how a garter is going to look good with all of that. Oops, that's not the piece I'm wanting. So I might have to make her something else to be. My garter's in my wedding album, so I might suggest her to do that. We'll see. Yeah, that feels like it's going to be stable. And also, because I do have a Cricut machine, I can type up something real pretty, like a little pretty saying, and put that, oh come on you guys, put that on the glass, like, you know, their names, and possibly, voila, and possibly like their wedding date. Now see, I'm going to look here. I should have, before closing all those, like I definitely want to move that one over. But other than that, I'm really kind of liking the look of that. I need to fill in that space, which moving that over should fill in that space. So let's just do that real quick. Next time I'm not going to close all these little brackets before I look at it. And bring this one up and bring that over. Let's see how that looks. Oh yeah, I just need to bring that one back over a little bit, and I think that'll be perfect. Like I said, it's not going to be uniform completely, you know. I'm just OCD, so it's like, okay, if there's different colors, I definitely need to separate them somewhat. Yeah, that looks a little bit better. Okay. I think that's good. So yeah, I will probably cut and print out a little saying to really make it special for them. So I hope you enjoyed my tutorial, and yeah, that's all there is to it. And so here is the final product. I put her garter on there because I thought it